day, everybody. How's everybody feeling today? I hope everyone is feeling great. It is 2 a.m. where I am. I hope you guys are wide awake and ready for today's event. So let me see if my brother Julius is around. Brother Julius, are
Wow,
you around?
thank you so much. Good evening, my brother. I'm still working. I'm still at the venue, still working, presenting business.
Oh,
I want
lovely.
to thank you so much. Uh, so I've just left the small session where my team is so as to be here. But thank you so much, sir, for deciding to join us tonight. I don't know if I'm loud and clear.
You are loud and clear, sir.
Thank you so much for the sacrifice. It's very late in your area, and your sacrifice is very paramount. Our amazing upline, thank you so much for deciding to be here. So I'll encourage my team to keep inviting so that we can have more people on board to listen, to understand this amazing project. And thank you, sir, for the mentorship, the time, and the opportunity given. Mm. Without you saying yes to this project, I would not be enjoying the life I'm enjoying right now and the knowledge that the project provides. So, ladies and gentlemen, on the call, I request you to invite your friend, invite your sister, invite your brother, invite someone to come and be able to listen to a mentor, a trainer, a champion of results and success. You know, I usually tell my people that your success needs a destiny helper. So, ladies and gentlemen, in front of me is a destiny helper because he said yes to an opportunity, and I had the chance to also be able to look at this opportunity and take it very seriously. So, without delay, sir, as I make sure that I invite more people on the call, I would like to hand over the microphone, and I'm super excited to have you with us this fantastic evening.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That was so kind of you, so wonderful of you to actually organize an event like this and to continuously teach, guide, and lead people from across the world. Leader Julius, you are an inspiration, and you always will be an inspiration. That's amazing. All right, guys. So let us begin. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, would you be kind enough to give me a thumbs up? If you can give me a thumbs up, then I know that all of us are in the same in the same wavelength, then we can get the ball rolling. I can see Lawrence, DXB. I can see Twino, Mugisha, Joan, Masasa, Kimbukwe, Eddie. Wow, lovely. Xiaomi, Tom Atuhaire. That's lovely. Before I carry on, just another quick question to you guys. Where I am in Malaysia. By the way, guys, my name is Rubert Pragasam. I'm in Malaysia. The time right now for me is 5 minutes past 2 a.m. Yeah, it's 2 a.m. where I am. But what about you guys? Where are you from? Which part of the world are you from? So if you can go to the chat box and type your country, so at least we know where you are from. And I'll also give you a quick shout out. We have Kimbukwe Eddie from Uganda. Dr. Brenda, how are you doing? From Saudi Arabia. Who else do we have? Wow, we have so many people from different parts of the world. Yeah, Lazarus is from Uganda. South Africa. Twino Mugisha is from South Africa. It's 8 p.m. for him. Yeah, Masasa, Lesotho. It's 8:05 p.m. Uganda. Many of you guys are from Uganda. Lennox is from Uganda. Lovely. Dubai, Emmanuel, you're from Dubai. Welcome. Welcome. Masindi. I don't know where Masindi is. Yeah, Masindi. 9 p.m. in Saudi Arabia. Lovely guys. You guys are coming together from across the world. Wonderful. It's a pleasure for me. It's an honor for me to be here. Oracle, ladies and gentlemen, is an opportunity that simply does not allow your dream to sleep. Yeah, it does not allow your dream to sleep. It makes you get up, it makes you look at yourself, and it makes you fight for the future that you truly deserve. Oracle is it's a game changer, the way that I look at it. It's a game changer because it has made life simple. It has made life simple for many of us to actually move forward in the world of cryptocurrencies. We have somebody from Kampala, Uganda. Okay, who else do we have? Alan is from Uganda. Fantastic. And from Rwanda, yeah, Barahira. When we talk about cryptocurrencies, ladies and gentlemen, cryptocurrency is a sea. It's big, it's huge. Yeah. And what does the sea contain? The sea contains a lot of fishes, plenty of fishes. Now, you can sail the sea. You can sail the sea and you can catch as much fish as you want, subject to two things. Number one, how skilled are you as a sailor? And how big is your boat? If you are a skilled sailor and your boat is big, yeah, it's pretty much unlimited what you can do at the sea. Cryptocurrency is like that sea. You can do so many things for you to create your wealth. Let's talk about some of that. Yeah, let's talk about some of that. Are you guys ready to learn about some of the ways you can profit or create wealth from cryptocurrencies? Are you guys ready? If you're ready, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you are ready. And I'm going to share some stuff with you. Yeah, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? So thumbs up. So I'll share with you all the different ways that we can create wealth from cryptocurrencies. Yeah, let me see if I can use your whiteboard. This Zoom is from leader Julius. Let me see if I can use the whiteboard to just write a few things. Is this a classical whiteboard? I don't know. Yeah, is this a classical whiteboard? If it's a classical whiteboard, it'll be easy for me. Just let me see what's loading. Yeah. If it's the modern whiteboard, I'm not going to use that. Nah, I don't want to use this. Okay, it's okay. Let me just talk. Let me just talk. Let me explain. Yeah. All right, guys. What are the various ways that we can? Somebody help me to type in chat. Yeah. What are the various ways that we can create wealth through cryptocurrencies? Number one, the easiest way is hodl. HODL, yeah, HODL, hodl. That is one of the easiest ways. What do we do? What do we do when we hodl? Well, we buy some cryptocurrencies. Whenever we have a little bit of money, whenever we have a little bit of cash, yeah, we buy a little bit of cryptocurrency and then we keep it. What do we do when we are hodling? We expect the price to appreciate over a period of time. Yeah, that's a great way. Yeah? If you had bought some crypto way back in 2010, yeah, back then in 2010, Bitcoin was 40 cents. And if you had taken out $100 and you bought some Bitcoin, today that $100 would be worth $33 million. $33 million. $100, which has grown to $33 million. What did you do? Pretty much nothing. You buy and you kept. My goodness, what a simple way. That is hodl. That is hodl. How else can people benefit from cryptocurrencies? Yeah, yeah, mining. Talking about mining. Take a look at this. You guys see this? The small little machine that I have here, it's running. Right now, there's a fan turning. That's basically a mining machine. I run this mining machine. It's on my work table. This mining machine, you can buy it for about $200. It's a solo miner, and it can hunt for Bitcoins. Yeah. Chances of it actually getting a Bitcoin is 1 in 14,000 if I run it continuously for a whole year. Small little device. Yeah, small little device. What is the cost of running such a device? Well, it's like the electricity cost is about $2.50 a month. So a whole year is about $30, $30. Yeah, but if I strike, chances of striking is literally none. But if I strike, and I get $460,000. So, okay. But what I did was I tweaked my machine. That's my machine. I tweaked my machine for it to hunt Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, it's kind of fun. I'm doing it as a fun project. Yeah, mining. That's another way. Some people have a lot more money to invest in much more superior hardware. And or if you don't want to have a hardware, you can also connect to pools, yeah, pools, and you can be part of that pool. And yeah, that's mining. What else can you do? Games. Can play games. Last year was, was a fun time for games, especially in Telegram. Yeah, in Telegram, there was a game called Notcoin. All you guys had to do was pick up your phone, and then you open up your Telegram, and then you were tapping your life away. I was doing that. I think I tapped for a few months, and I was collecting these points, and then I was able to convert the points to dollar. I managed to get about $1,000 playing games. Yeah, and then most of the games that came after that, they did not really catch on with the hype, and yeah, that didn't work out that great. Today, there's also the world of metaverses. Yeah, people who are so into games, and they live in a virtual world. They wear their speakers, not speakers. They wear their earphones, and then they have their goggles, and that's where they live. They live in a virtual world. They buy and rent properties. They do work. They interact. They don't want to live in the physical world. They want to live in a virtual world, and they use cryptocurrencies. Yeah, and some people have created a fortune doing that. Games, yeah, that's another way of generating value. Have you guys ever heard of RWA, real world assets? That's another thing that is actually growing these days. Real world assets is like this. Suppose you want to buy a property on your own in say in New York. There's a building. The building is $100 million. If you want to buy it alone, it may be difficult. There are technologies today where that building's ownership, yeah, the title deed is broken into many smaller parts in the form of NFTs, and you can buy those NFTs, and then you become a part owner. This is called real world asset. RWA. And then you can sell these NFTs and you can trade these NFTs as part owner of a real world assets. Do they only do that for buildings? No, they do it for art, they do it for yachts, they do it for airplanes, they do it for chandeliers, yeah, that kind of stuff. Interesting. That's RWA. As you can see, there are so many ways. What about businesses and services? There are many, many, many companies all over the world where they focus on actually accepting crypto as a form of payment. Just go to Google and search companies that accept crypto for payment. You'll be surprised. So many companies all over the world, they want to collect cryptocurrencies. Why? Because cryptocurrencies appreciate, fiat depreciate. Yeah. So that is the reason. That is the reason. What about trading? Can we trade in crypto? Of course we can trade. And when we are trading, what are we looking at? We are looking at price volatility. Price is moving up, price is moving down, price moving up, price. And that volatility allows us to trade. And today we're talking about staking. What is staking? Staking means you have some crypto with you. It's like hodling. You have some crypto with you. And instead of just letting it stay idle and waiting for the price to appreciate, you can use your crypto to empower, to give some sort of support to certain blockchains. And those blockchains are willing to reward you in return for for the trust that you are putting upon them. That is staking. Are there many staking platforms? There are countless staking platforms. Yeah, you can stake in Binance. You can stake in many exchanges. You can stake in staking platforms. But today, we are going to talk about how you can benefit when you stake in this amazing protocol called Oracle Finance Network. That is what I'm going to talk to you guys about. Are you guys ready? Did you enjoy my introduction on how vast cryptocurrency? Have I covered everything? No, yeah. There's still plenty more. I just touched some of the area because we lack time today. I'll do this for about an hour or so, but I just wanted to give you an intro of all the different things that you can do in crypto to benefit from that. So are you guys okay? If you guys are okay and you like what I'm doing, and if you like what you're hearing, and if you want me to continue further, go to chat and type one. I want to see ones. I want you to type one, the number one. The more ones I get, the more information I'm going to give you. Now I see the ones are coming up. That's lovely. You guys are awesome. from all the different parts of the world. Oh, we have more than 125 participants right now. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. All right, let's carry on. Thank you for all the ones. Let's talk about Oracle Finance Network. Friend of mine introduced Oracle Finance Network to me on just a few days before August 1st. It was very interesting when I heard about that. And what happened was I studied it for about 3 days. Then I said, hey, there seems to be a really good opportunity in this, and I want to explore this. So I studied that, and I was doing my audits, I was doing my forensics. I said, oh, this is good. Then on 1st August, I activated my account. Yeah, I activated my account, and then I liked it. Then I shared it with leader Julius and some of my other friends. And today, wow, we are rocking across the world in a matter of days. Yeah. Today is 16th August. So it's been 16 days that I've been in Oracle. It's rocking my life, and I think it's going to rock so many of your lives. All right. So let's begin. Let me share a little bit about Oracle Finance Network. I'm going to show you how I do my audits so that you have an understanding, you have a clarity, and also some important information on how you can put your mind to rest and also benefit tremendously. All right, let's carry on. Let's carry on. So what I want to do is I want to share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, I should be able to do this right about now. Okay, you guys should be able to see my screen. Okay, that's great. So let me open my presentation. Some of you may have seen this, some of you may be seeing it for the very first time, but it's okay. Let me do this presentation so you understand, yeah? I'm going to jump here and there based on what I want to talk to you about. Let's carry on. So Oracle, what is this? Oracle, yeah, it's a protocol, it's a DAO. Yeah, it's a DAO, DAO. DAO means decentralized autonomous organization. That's what it stands for. Yeah, most of the organizations, companies, they have people. Yeah, they have people working in it. But a DAO is a company or an organization that lives in the blockchain, and people don't work on it, but smart contracts, programs, softwares, codes, scripts, this work within the DAO. Yeah, that's a DAO. Now, the Oracle DAO, ladies and gentlemen, before that, there's a disclaimer. Very important. Yeah, very important. Usually, there's a disclaimer just so that you know that this is a financial product. Yeah, and when you want to participate, you must always manage your risk. Yeah, what's the disclaimer? Oracle is a community-driven project. Community-driven project. Yeah, focused on decentralized finance. DeFi is known as DeFi. While we aim to provide useful tools and opportunities, participation involves certain risks. The information shared is for general knowledge only and should not be taken as financial advice. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, but the thing is, if you like it, you want to participate it, be what do you call this? Be cautious with your own finances. Yeah, we encourage all participants to do their own research and make informed decisions. Oracle does not guarantee any specific outcomes, and by engaging with the platform, users accept full responsibility for their actions. Yeah, this is a standard disclaimer. Yeah, just to make sure that you are always responsible for your actions and for your finances. All right. Having said that, let's carry on. Oracle DAO came about 3 months ago. About 3 months ago, yeah, about 3 months ago. The developers are from Hong Kong. This is what I heard. And it is based on something that is known as Olympus DAO. Olympus DAO. Olympus DAO is the template. Olympus DAO is a system that came about 4 years ago, yeah, and they wanted to be like a reserve bank. And they had this a very good system. And it worked. Until today, Olympus DAO exists. Yeah, until today is there. Until today. Yeah. And their token, their coin, yeah, their token is known as until today, they still exist. So based on this Oracle Olympus DAO, Oracle DAO came about with plenty of improvements. Later on, we're going to look at at their white paper, and I tell you, it's kind of mind-boggling. All right, let's carry on. So one of the things that I looked at when we look at this Olympus DAO is that they have all these certificates. Yeah, I'll be very honest with you. Certificates do not impress me. Yeah, when I look at somebody showing me and waving me their certificates, yeah, that do not impress me. All right. What does impress me, however, is this website, www.finson.gov. Yeah, this is kind of interesting. So if you were to go to this website and then you put the registration number, so the information about the certificates pops up. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah. If people showed me this, yeah, usually I don't believe it. Yeah. But the thing is, yeah, you can go to the website and then you can check it out. So that was interesting. Now let's talk about their coin, Oracle Finance Network. What is their coin? The name of their coin is ONF. Yeah, that's the name of their coin. I mean, we don't call it a coin. We should call it a token. A coin is usually when it's on their own blockchain. Yeah, yeah, they've written this correctly. It is a token. ONF is a token. How many tokens are pre-programmed? Yeah, 100 million. 100 million tokens. But in this system, when I read the white paper, there's actually no cap. There's no cap because they want to create this as a system that can go on perpetually. So there's actually no cap, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. And what about the minting logic? How is this ONF created? Minting logic, which we will look in the white paper later on, the minting logic is based on the Olympus DAO treasury bond issue. What the heck is that? We'll be talking about that in a short while. All right? That's how the coins are minted. 100 million coins will come into existence. Yeah, that's the whole idea. Let's carry on. So when I look at this ONF, I want to do, okay, hey guys, are you able to hear my voice? Somebody says they are not able to hear my voice. Are you able to hear my voice? If you're able to hear my voice, say yes. Type yes. Yeah, type yes. All right, type yes. Are you guys able to hear my voice? Is it loud and clear? Is it? I'm speaking really close to my microphone. Yeah, all right, lovely, lovely. All right, let's carry on. Let's carry on. Someone says not clear. A lot of people say yes. So those of you who say not clear, maybe you have to use a better speaker or use a headset or something like that. Let me carry on. Let me carry on. Okay, ONF, that's the name of the coin. So we're going to do a little bit of a hunting here. We're going to do a little bit of a hunting. We're going to learn about this coin. Yeah, we're going to learn about this project. So I'm going to start my audit. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to coinmarketcap.com. Let us take a look at this ONF coin here. So what I want to do is I've come to CoinMarketCap. All right, I've come to CoinMarketCap. Let me type ONF. Okay, what comes up? ONF. There you go. Oracle Finance Network. There we have it. This is a bit of an audit work, a bit of forensic. Let's do that. Let me go to ONF. Yeah. So we see currently the price of the coin is 77.77. 3 months ago, when this coin first came into existence, the price of the coin was approximately $4. Approximately $4. Today it is about 78, $80. Yeah. And then there are some important information over here. What is the information? You can see the candlesticks. This is how the coin is actually performing daily. Yeah, daily. All right. What do we see here? Market cap. But there is a triangle here. What does that mean? It means it's self-reported. We got to explore that a little bit further. So $1.56 billion. That's the value of this coin. But why is it self-reported? That means not all the coins are circulating. Yeah. Why is it not circulating? It's not circulating because the coins are locked. Where is it locked? How it is locked? We will explore in a short while. Now, the daily trading volume, guys, look at this. This is decent. This is $16.42 million being traded daily on this coin. Okay, very good. Yeah. Fully diluted value, $7.79 billion. Oh, that looks good. Self-reported, again, in circulation, 20.16 million. Why is this? Why is this 20.16 million? And why is this there? Why is there a yellow triangle? Well, that is because some of it is it really locked? How long is it locked? Just like how we're going to check on here, we will also be checking it on a short while. Okay. Masasa, coach, can ONF be tradable daily? Like, of course it's tradable. All the trading is happening here. All right. There are two exchanges where you can trade. We will talk about that in a short while. Yeah. Now, we are doing an audit right now. We are doing an audit. We are doing a forensic. So let's carry on with the trail. Where is this trail leading us? Now I'm looking at the contract. This is very, very important. Once you have the contract address, we can dive deeper. Yeah, we can dive deeper. So what I want to do right now is I want to go and copy this contract address. Yeah, we have copied it. Where are we going to go next? We will go to the BNB Smart Chain blockchain and blockchain explorer. Yeah, BSC scan. We are here. We are here. What did we copy earlier on? We copied the smart contract. We are going to paste it here. All right. And then we're going to study. We're going to study this protocol. All right. Let's do it. So I've just pasted it here. I'm pressing enter. Let it load. Yeah, let it load. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Let it pick up all the necessary information and we will look at this. All right. We will look at this. How many people are in the chat right? In our event right now, 134, 136. Wow. Hey guys, are you all enjoying this? If you're enjoying this, give me a heart. I want to see many hearts. It's 2:30 a.m. for me, So I am sharing this with you guys. I want to see the hearts in the chat box. Come on, guys. I want to see the hearts in the chat box. All right. Let this load. It's a bit slow. Seems to be a bit slow. If this loads, then I can show you guys a lot more stuff. Yeah. Let it load. Come on, BIC scan. I want you to work faster. Everybody, please tell BIC scan to work faster. Okay. All right. Come on, BIC scan. I need you to load faster. People around the world are looking at you. Okay. Oh, lovely. Hey, guys, thank you so much for the hearts. What am I saying? iPhone, thank you. I'm Carla, Frank. We have Twino, Mugisha. We have Frank. Yeah, fantastic, guys. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right. If the BIC scan works a little bit faster, I'll be so happy to show you guys more. Hey, whatever I'm doing here is repeatable. Yeah, you can replicate it on your own, and yeah, you can do this on your own. You can do these audits. Yeah, you can do these audits. I want to show this BIC scan. All right, let it load. Come on. Okay, let me just do this again. Let me just press enter again and see how it works. All right. Okay. All right. While I'm waiting for this BIC scan, yeah, let me just go back to this presentation. Okay, presentation. So we understand that the name of the coin is ONF. There's so many coins that have been produced. Yeah, minting lot. Yeah, we know all this, right? Now, one of the things that we notice here is this. Once we have done this, okay, look at this here. I'll come back to this page later. I want to talk about this. This coin came into existence about 3 months ago. Okay, 3 months ago. What we notice is on 25th July 2025, yeah, it was listed in CoinMarketCap. This is a good development. We went to CoinMarketCap just now, yeah? We had a look at it. So on 25th July, it was listed in coinmarketcap.com, which is good. So over here, we can get all the necessary information, which we saw just now, right? This coin is also listed in two different exchanges. One is known as JuCoin, and the other one is known as LBank. Now, what is JuCoin? You probably may not have heard of JuCoin. JuCoin is popular in China. Yeah, it's popular in China. ONF was listed on May 15th. Yeah, May 15th in JuCoin. Yeah, it's popular in China. And I'll tell you this: JuCoin is older than Binance. It's been around from before Binance. Yeah, this is old. This is an old exchange, and the LBank and ONF is listed here. And then ONF was listed in LBank on June 6th. LBank is number 17 in the exchange list. Yeah, number 17. Let's take a look at LBank. Yeah, let's take a look at LBank. All right, I want this to run again. Okay, let's take a look at LBank. I want to go to exchanges. Okay, I want to go to exchanges. Yeah, we're looking at CoinMarketCap exchanges. Let me go down to number 17, and you can see LBank. LBank is right here. And look at their trading volume. That's almost like $4 billion now. They're not small. They're big. They're big, $4 billion. Yeah, $4 billion. That's where ONF has been listed here. So that is also a good thing. All right. Okay, guys. We saw coin market cap. Oh, it's also listed in CoinGecko. Don't forget that. CoinGecko. We were exploring the exchange. Now let's get back to BSE scan. It is all loaded up, so we can continue with our audits here. Let's take a look. This is the contract. Can you see it's written here as a contract? It's not an address. Yeah. Where can we find the white paper? I'll show you in a short while. It's already there in the Telegram channel. It's also already been distributed to all the WhatsApp groups as well. Yeah. So you can see that over here it is written as contract. It's not an address. If it's just purely an address, you are in trouble. If you ever get involved in a project and you take the contract address and you put here and it says address, you are in trouble. You're going to get scammed. But here it says contract. That's a good point. Contract. Very good. What else do I want to look? If it's a contract, I scroll down. You guys see all this, okay, over here, the information, who created it, when it was created, all of that is here. But I'm more interested in this contract. And you can see there's a check mark. This means this is a verified contract. That's good. Verified contract. More good news. Good, good, good. But is it enough? No, I want to go deeper. So what do I do? What do I do? Okay, I'm now going to tap on this contract. Okay, when I tap on this contract, guys, take a look at this. These are all some of the contracts that's related. Some of you who may be familiar with Solidity programming. Solidity, that is the blockchain programming languages, language. So if you understand that, you can actually go through these programs and it's all open source. It's all open source. It's all open source. So you can actually go through this. All right. You can actually go through this. Now we are here. All right. Now we are here. What am I interested in? Okay. I'm interested in this read contract and write contract. I'm interested in read contract and write contract. There are 137 contracts in Oracle DAO. 137. They are all linked. They all have work to do. They all function together to run this protocol. Okay, so I want to take a look at the read contracts. Let's go to the read contract. Okay, I go to read contract. Once I am in this read contract, okay, once I'm in this read contract, I'm teaching you guys how to do an audit. That means whatever projects that you may come, or whoever presents to you any project whatsoever, you know how to go and evaluate it and how to audit it. Yeah. All right. Now we have come to read contract. Scroll down to number 31. This is very important. Can you see this owner? Yeah. Tap on this. Now we see an address. This is very important. When you look at this address, what do you see? It is 00000. Look at the last four characters. It says DEAD, dead. What does that mean? It means this project, the owner, the creator of this project, they have renounced ownership. That means the core codes, the core functionalities, everything that has been hard-coded cannot be modified anymore. It's renounced. When they created it, they created it, they made sure everything is working properly, and then they threw away the key. They destroyed the key. So it no longer can be edited. It's fixed. So that means, let's say the business is running, a company is running 4 years down the road, they change the marketing plan. No, all these things cannot happen here because it has been locked. Okay. All right. Now, what is this? Bizim easy. In Tanzania, people don't believe me on what I say about ONF. What I need now is a white paper is there. You can get it. It's already there. I'll show you guys where to get the white paper later. All right. So number 31, that is the owner. Owner has renounced. Oh, that is good. But is that enough? No, that's not enough. We need to also look at a few other stuff. Yeah. What else do I want to look? You see, a blockchain project should be able to work without websites. A blockchain project should be able to work even if the website were to disappear. Over here, I want you to see this. Yeah. Can you see read contract and write contract and connect to Web3? Now, let me go to write contract. Okay, write contract. Suppose the web doesn't exist. It really doesn't matter as long as you have a DeFi wallet. As long as you have a like a Trust wallet or MetaMask, yeah, Let me show you how to connect MetaMask, Coinbase, even a token pocket. Yeah. So you can use Wallet Connect and you can connect directly to the blockchain. And once you're connected to the blockchain, yeah, you can do some magic. Yeah, you can look at this. You can send your coins. Yeah, you can send your coins. Let me just show you. Yeah, like transfer. Can you see transfer? All right, from address to address. All of this thing you can do. You can do all of this. You can do all of this, ladies and gentlemen, without needing a website. All right. So are you guys still with me? Are you able to follow what I'm sharing? Guys, are you able to follow what I'm sharing? You're still with me? Yeah. All right. Fantastic. So there's no website. Is it a problem? No, it's not a problem. You can still connect to the blockchain and you can carry on. So all these are good, but is it enough? Definitely not. We want to dive deeper. We want to dig deeper. Is this project good? Can I get involved? I want to dig deeper. So I'm looking at what am I looking at? I'm looking at the construction of the entire protocol. So far it looks good, but I have an issue here. My issue is this. This is my issue. All right. This is my issue. What is my issue? My issue is, you see, when they started this project way back in 99, about 3 months back, yeah, you see, they created the initial coins were minted. There's supposed to be 100 million coins. The Genesis team, these are the people who created the protocol. And obviously, this is the investors supported these people to create the protocol. Now they got 10%. That means they got 10 million. And these people got 10 million, 10 million, 10 million. There's 20 million coins. Now, when the price has already gone to 77, 78, $80, what if they come and dump everything? It will be a rug pull. It will be a complete massacre. Am I right? 80% is for the people who are going to support this project. What about these people? Then we have to go and see what is happening to their tokens. The thing here is their tokens have been locked. It's been locked for 3 years. And that is very, very good. But where do we check? How do we check? We go to this audit website. This is a very, very good audit website. Yeah, this is known as ave.ai. Hey guys, everything I'm sharing with you, you can go and do yourself, right? You can check it. Yeah. So we go to ave.ai. We go to ave.ai. What do I need? I still need the contract address. So what do? I go back to my coin market cap. All right. Or I can just go back to my BIC scan, no problem. Okay, here's the contract address. I copy it. All right, now I go to ave.ai. I'm going to search for the contract. Okay, I'm going to search for the contract in ave.ai. This is an audit website, yeah, audit website. There we go. We have ONF. So I am going to click on it. All right, let ONF load up. All right, let ONF load up. There we go. ONF is loaded up. Okay. And then there are some information here, which is good. Some information, the name of the token is here, the contract address, everything is here. Okay, fine. Am I interested in that? Not really. I am interested to dig deeper. Yeah, I'm interested to know this audit results. So I go and tap here. When I tap here, the audit results have come out. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see this here. First thing is the score. Look at the score. The score is so low. It's 20. Is it a good score? Score should be higher. Am I right? Actually, no. The higher the score, if it goes to 70%, 80%, 90%, it'll be red. It's a warning sign. If you see any project, if you put it in ave.ai and you see it become red with 70%, 80%, 90%, run away. Drop everything and run away. Because if you go into that kind of project, you will, like what leader Julius says, you will sweat plasma. Right, so run away. It has to be low, has to be low. The lower it is, the better it is. Yeah, so 20% is good. Now you can see, yeah, all the things that we wanted to check. Yeah, it's renounced, cannot be modified. Certain things are renowned. Everything looks good. Yeah, this is what we want to see. There are many, many auditing websites. Not all of them are equal. They will not provide you the same kind of results. ave.ai is an industry standard. Yeah, so you can actually use here. Yeah, the results here are much better, superior. Now, when you look at this, yeah, all right, this is my issue earlier on. Can you see that? The 10 million, 10 million? Yeah, 10 million. And you can see here, it has already picked up that information from the smart contracts and it is listing it. It's already been locked in pink sale. Right? When was it locked? It was locked on May 13, 2025. When will it be unlocked? May 15, 2028. 3 years it's been locked. So those initial people who were involved, their coins cannot come out for the next 3 years. And even when it comes out, all this 10 million will not be released at the same time. The smart contracts will only release 5% every month, which is good. So that takes another 2 years before everything here can be released. 3 years from now, yeah? All right, so that is very, very good. Excellent. Now I like it. Ownership has been renounced, this 10 million locked for 3 years, and everything is in the smart contract, and that cannot be modified. Very good. Very, very good. Is this enough? I'm going to look down at the top 10 holders. Look at this. Number 2, this address has got 141,000 coins. This is no good. Who is this person? 141,000, 141.7K. If they were to go and dump it, market will crash. Who is this person? When we go and research, we find that this is Jucoin. Number 2 holder is an exchange, Jucoin. And Jucoin being a holder is good. An exchange must have the coins so that we can go and we can trade. This is good. Yeah. If it's an individual, yeah, not good. But if it's an exchange, all right, acceptable. Number 3, number 4, these are smart contracts. Yeah, smart contracts that is managing this number of ONF coins. Number 5, who's this? 31.44. Again, another big question. What do? I have to go and analyze this. Who is this person? Guys, this is L Bank. Number 5 is L Bank. Yeah, this is another exchange. They own 31.4. They hold 31.44. Is this good? Of course, it's good. Why? This is where we go and do our trading. Okay. Number 6 and 7, these are contracts. Number 8 is an individual. Number 9, individual. 10 is individual. This individual owns 247 coins. My goodness. 247 coins. How much is that? At the current price, 247 coins. 247 times $78, that's about $19,300. Even if all these coins were dumped right now, the market will absorb it. It's not a problem at all. 8, 9, and 10. This is no big deal. All right. So these are basic forensics that we are doing. All right, guys. So now this is good. I like this. I like this, what we have seen. Now I can continue further with a little bit more peace of mind. All right. We're doing forensics. We're doing auditing to make sure that whatever decision that we make must be based on something. It's not based on emotion. Oh, my friend told me, that person is telling me this, they are investing this, everybody is jumping. No, 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 no. That's not the way. If you want to get involved in something, you got to involved after proper understanding, proper research, and then it gives you better results. All right. So far, are you guys enjoying what I'm doing? Are you learning? Are you guys learning? If you're learning, let me know. If you're learning, type number 3. Come on, I want to see how many of you are actually benefiting from this. Okay, how many of you are benefiting? 4? I see 4. I say 3. Somebody type 4. What is 4? 33. Okay, fine. Double 3. Fine, fine. 33, I'll accept. All right. Okay, fine. You guys are learning. Fantastic. Fantastic. All right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to learn a little bit more. All right. I want to get back to my presentation. Yeah. Another thing, yeah. Doing whatever we did just now was forensics. Was a bit of an audit. What about the white paper? Does this project have a white paper? White paper is very important. A project without white paper raises questions. A white paper contains all the necessary information, the building blocks, the ingredients, the recipe. All right. Does this project has a white paper? Does this project have a white paper? What do you guys think? Yes or no? How many of you say yes? Those of you say yes, type yes. Those of you who think no, type no. How many of you think this project has got a white paper? Does it have a white paper? Some of you say yes. Bimba. Oh, many of you are saying yes. So that means you guys have heard me from before, yeah? So let's go and have a look at the white paper. I'm going to show you. All right? I'm going to show you this white paper. Guys, the name is white paper, yeah? It does not have to look white. It can be colorful, right? So here is the Oracle white paper. Okay. This is the Oracle DAO white paper for those of you who may not have seen it before. All right. So let's carry on. There are about 35 pages in this white paper. You can actually go in. There's a lot of things to read. Yeah, there's a lot and a lot of things to read. Historical background, why it works, how it's going to work. All this stuff is there. All right. I'm going to take you to page number 8. I've read it a few times. It's not easy. It made me sleep. All right, but I forced myself to read it anyway. Okay, so I'm going to go to page number 8. This is the white paper, yeah? Okay, so let me go to page number 8. I want to show you a few things because some of you may who have already started this may not understand certain things. So I'm going to show you this. Okay, where is my page number 8? Okay, here we go. So when we talk about Oracle, yeah, Oracle DAO, Oracle Finance Network, yeah, okay, this is the core structure of Oracle DAO. What are they going to have? Number one, okay, the institutional, stable, big words, asset construction mechanism. That means how the minting works, how the coins come into existence. There are three parts. Number one, this is the treasury bond. There is the market maker bond, and then the single coin staking. There are three parts. You guys who have staked, you probably would have seen this, yeah? There's treasury bonds, there's market maker bonds, and single coin staking. So what is treasury bonds? Treasury bonds, okay, the users will receive ONF at a discount. That means you go to treasury bond, you buy that bond, you're actually getting the ONF coins at a discount. Yeah. And then how much discount? That is automatically determined by the on-chain supply-demand ratio. So whatever you do in the treasury bond, what is the use of that? That is system reserves. It's system reserves. It supports market liquidity and risk hedging. That is what is done in treasury. Okay. What about market maker bonds? Just like the name implies, market maker. Okay, when you go and get your bonds at market maker, yeah, it basically replenishes trading liquidity. Price goes down, you can go and push it back up again. All right, for the protocol. Let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Can I let me show you? I want to show you here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, if I go to Albank, it will be better. Go to Albank. Later on, I'll show you guys how the price is pushed back up here. I'll go to Albank, I'll show you guys. What about the single coin staking? You stake ONF, you stake the coin itself. You can go to you can go to Albank, you buy the coins, you bring it to the protocol, Oracle DAO, yeah, and then you stake. And the system releases additional tokens as participation rewards for you, and that is based on an algorithm. And this algorithm is all open source. You can go and look at it, yeah. All rules are publicly verifiable. So these are the three parts. You have the treasury bonds, you have the market maker bonds, and you can have the single coin staking. Sivanandan Nadaraja, where can I see this white paper? We already posted in the groups, in the WhatsApp group, yeah. It's also in the Telegram group. Yeah, a wonderful Telegram channel we have. Lots of information are there. It's there. All right, it's there. Now let's carry on. When we talk about Oracle DAO, you see, number one, this is about the minting or the creation of the coins. Yeah, number one. Number two, what is Oracle DAO going to become? Yeah, look at this. It's an on-chain credit engine. It's a lending system. It's a lending platform. So that means later on, people will be able to take loans. You have your ONF, you can put it in, and then you can take a loan like a USDT and maybe some other stuff. This is evolving. Yeah, we will know more about this as we proceed. Yeah, and then it's also a native payment system. Yeah, using Oracle Pay. This is where the debit cards and the credit cards will be coming in. Debit cards. I'm familiar with. The crypto debit cards. Let me show you guys this. This is very interesting. This is not Oracle debit card, yeah. Maybe I'll show you guys this. Yeah, let me just stop sharing here. I'll show you the screen itself. Like for me, I've always used this. Like this is a Terwow debit card. It's a crypto debit card. I like to use this. Add some USDT inside, and then if I go to anywhere in the world where I'm traveling, all I need is this card. I go to any ATM machine that has Visa. Like you see Visa. Can you guys see the See the word Visa at the bottom. So as long as there's the word Visa, I can go to that ATM machine, plug it in. I can take local currencies for me to spend. And usually for crypto debit cards, yeah, the limit is very, very high. For crypto debit card, the limit can be easily 150,000 dollars one time. 150,000 dollars. Yeah. So debit cards, there are many companies offering debit cards right now. And Oracle DAO is also moving in that direction. They want to have their own in Oracle Pay debit cards. But is that all? No, they're taking some wild moves. I've not seen this wild move before. Oracle, they are bringing in credit cards as well. I've never seen crypto credit cards. Yeah, but the thing is, how does a credit company evaluate whether you are a good customer? They look at your financial records, yeah. And what is the blockchain? The blockchain is records of how you are behaving in the blockchain, how the kind of transactions you're doing, how your wallet is working, how much money you have in terms of this crypto. Everything is actually publicly verifiable. So yeah, maybe that is the foundation for crypto credit cards. I don't know. Maybe that's how it'll work. Crypto Ambassador Leader Julius, we appreciate for bringing Mr. Rupert. Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay. Coach, this project is only for 360 days. No, my friend, you stake, you can stake for 360 days, and then obviously you can restake it again and again and again to your heart's content. Yeah. So this is the white paper. It goes on and on and on and on. A lot of stuff here, guys. If you like reading, or if you want to go to sleep while reading, yeah, you can read this. Yeah. But I forced myself to read it. I think I'll read it maybe another 10 times. I really want to master this, because if you master that knowledge, then you become a leader of that protocol. All right. So this is very important. This is very important. You can read. Yeah, you can read this. So this is the white paper. So are you guys happy? You've seen the white paper. Are you happy? Some of you are asking about the white paper. So we needed to have that white paper. Yeah, white paper is also important. Are you guys happy? So far, are you happy? Yeah, I've been speaking for almost 50 minutes right now. It's going to be 3 a.m. for me. Are you guys happy? Let me know. If you're happy, then I'll talk a little bit more and show you a few more stuff. Shamu Kama Vincent, I'm happy, brother. Okay, lovely. Please send the white paper to this group. Later on, please ask Leader Julius to drop it in your respective groups. Yeah, so that's lovely. So let's carry on. We are continuing with our presentation. Okay, so we have seen the white paper. I'm happy with the white paper. We've done a bit of audits. Yeah, we're back here now. We're back to this presentation. All right, we're back to these slides. Let's carry on. Let's carry on. We need to really understand something before we put our money into it. Yeah. If not, if things don't make sense to you, don't get involved. If it makes sense to you, yeah, then you should consider. Who is the CEO of Oracle Coin? There's no Oracle Coin. There is the ONF token, but there is the foundation for Oracle. Later on, I'll show you guys. Yeah. But I don't think there is somebody called a CEO for this. All right. So let's carry on. We saw the Oracle AVE AI audit just now. We're happy with this smart contract. We've done that. Okay. When you stake, okay, plan B, what would happen after 2 years from now when big whales own? No, bro, it's not 2 years, it's 3 years. I was explaining it earlier. It's 3 years, and the smart contract will only release 5% per month. Yeah, that is in the smart contract, publicly verifiable. Plan B. All right. So let's carry on over here. This is when you are staking, yeah, staking. What do you get? How does this work? Okay, I'm going to give you guys this. So 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 360 days, 540 days. 540 days is not open yet, I think. Yeah, so what happens is you've got a little bit of money, $5, $10. Actually, there's no minimum amount that you can stake. You got $5, $10, $100, yeah, $200. So when you stake, yeah, in the treasury bonds or the market maker bonds, what happens is, first off, you get some discounts. You see between 90% to 100%. Yeah, that means the price will be between. So over here, if you're staking for 30 days, maximum discount is 10%. So staking for 90 days, maximum discount is 15%. Staking for 180 days, maximum discount is 20%. Staking for 360 days, maximum discount is 30%. Yeah, that's how it works, right? So you get some discount. So you're buying at a lower price than the market price, all right? Now, how much do you get? What is your yield? Yield means your returns, your interest, yeah? Every 12 hours, you can get anywhere from 0.2 to 1%. This is a range. It's not fixed. It can range between 0.2 to 1%. That's how it looks like. What is this contribution value? This contribution value is dependent on your team. If you are building a team, and if you are, you are a networker, or you're an MLMer, and you have a community, you're building a team, then this contribution value comes into the picture. When you get your rewards, how much you can actually withdraw. I think I'll do a training on this at another time, yeah, for contribution value. This is purely for staking purposes, all right? Purely for staking purposes. So what I think I want to do is I want to go over to my device. I want to go over to my device and share my screen, and then we look at calculators. Is that okay, guys? Do you want to take a look at calculators? Do you want to take a look at the calculator? Okay, let me see. Okay. If my downline invests like 20, then later invest like 90, this is Sunday, the Dio Gratias, yeah, like 90, will he be counted as a real downline? Because I'm told counted. Okay, if you are building a community, somebody, and if they are to be counted as a valuable address that will contribute to you, it must have at least $100 staked. Yeah, smaller than that, they'll enjoy the returns, the yields, the interest, but it will not go towards your rewards. Minimum $100 will be required for your rewards. Okay. Frank, how would you predict the future of Oracle token? Because how would you like to predict? There's no prediction in this, there's no forecasting in this, there's no magic in this. There is only audits and forensics. So what I did earlier was audits and forensics. I like to research, I like to analyze, even like trading. Before you trade, you look at the charts, you look at the fundamentals, and everything checks out. And if you're happy with that, and if it jives with you, then you go in. You see, in life, there is always things like risk versus reward. The higher the risk, the higher the reward. No risk, no reward. How comfortable are you with risk? All right. So if you're not comfortable with risk, don't take the risk. And if you're comfortable with risk, then manage your risk. One thing that you must never do is be emotional with risk. Never be emotional. Never go and sell your house, your car, take a huge loan, sell your gold, sell your children, yeah, so that you can participate in some. No, don't do that. When you are going to get involved in something like this, yeah, you must be involved in such a way that you manage your risk, you manage your business, you manage your portfolio, because every single business, every single action will carry risk. So you manage your risk well, be a smart person. Yeah. So, but the thing is, if you don't take risk, you get nothing at all. Yeah, if you don't take risk, you don't get anything at all. Take a risk, but don't get hurt. That would be my advice. Does that make sense to you? All right, Frank. Just because you're ready to invest doesn't mean you should invest. Do your analysis. And whatever, if I say jives with you, then, only then, yeah, you should start. Okay. Talk about compound profits. Oh, I will. Okay, I will. All right, let's carry on. Let's carry on. Many questions here. Wow, many questions. Okay. All right. How I wish the Zoom was if I stake $500. Okay. Looks like okay, leader, isn't the rewards of ONF on staking depend on? Okay, no, 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 no. The rewards on ONF is not based on how much you're staking. It is based on how it is minted. Two different things. That is why we did the audit. That's why we read the white paper. All right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna connect. To let me connect my device. Where is the link? Where is the link? Okay, let me connect with the device. I hope you guys are enjoying this meeting. I hope you guys are enjoying this meeting. All right, let me carry on. Let me carry on. I'm going to connect with my device, then I'm going to share, yeah. All right. So we have 134 people. Okay, hold on, guys. I am located in Malaysia, Frank. Okay. So let me share my screen. Leader Julius, you need to allow me to my second device. Can you allow me to share my mobile device so I can share my device? Leader Julius. Okay, I think I can do that myself. All right, done. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. Okay, my entire screen. Start. Okay, you guys should be able to see my screen right now. Okay, so let me go to my token pocket. Okay, let me go to my token pocket. I'm going to show you how the compounding thing works, yeah? Tap on my Oracle, and then we get started. Okay, so let's carry on. Let's carry on, okay? So let's say, right now the price of the coin is $78. I'm just going to round it up, yeah? I'm going to round it up. Okay, I'm just going to show you. How much should we try for? How much should we try for? Do you want to say starting from $100 or $200? Whatever amount. Let me know what amount should we do this. Tell me. Type it in chat. Then we will do the calculate accordingly. Okay, $100. Yeah. No, I'm going to start with a smaller amount. I'll go with $100. Okay. Let's say $100. Okay. I've got $100. Can I do this? Of course you can. Let's try this. What is the price? Okay, 78. I'm just rounding it up, yeah, guys. So how many coins will I get? I get 1.282 coins. Okay, so I've got this many coins. So I want to stake in market makers, yeah, or wherever. So let's do a calculation. I'm going to use the inbuilt calculator. All right, inbuilt calculator. So how many coins? 1.282. All right, that's the number of coins that we have. And what are we going to do? We're going to stake for a year. All right, we're going to stake for a year. Okay, so what we are seeing here is if I were to stake it for a year, okay, if I were to stake it for a year, then in 1 year's time, for 360 days, my 1.282 coins will grow to 29.627 coins. How is this happening? Because every 12 hours, I'm getting 0.2 to 1%, yeah? Every 12 hours. And if I don't claim it out, if I don't take it out, it grows. It grows, it grows, it grows, it compounds. So 1 year, I have 29.627 coins. Okay, what is this block production rate? Block production rate is how the minting happens. There is an algorithm. The algorithm is watching what is happening throughout the protocol, yeah, what is happening in the market, and based on that, the number of coins will be produced. Yeah, currently it's at 0.4311%. It can go all the way to 2. That's really, really high. The lowest is 0.4. So right now it's at 0. You can play with this slide, you can just adjust it. But we will leave it as the default value, whatever the system has calculated. Yeah. So what we see here now is this. Yeah, what we see here now is this. After 1 year, yeah. Okay, let me just push this up. After 1 year, your 29.62 coins is now worth $2,306. Yeah, your $100 has now grown to $2,300. Okay, how did that happen? Because of compounding effect right here. What was compounding? It's not your dollar that was compounding. What was compounding? Your ONF coin was compounding. And if the dollar value of this coin remained the same, then it's $2,306.98. All right. So now let's take a look. All right. How many coins you have? 29.627. Yeah. Let me just get back to this. 29.627. That's the number of coins times 78. That means the price remains the same. So that means 2,310. What happens if the price because of all the activities. Suppose the credit card and the debit card is out, the lending platform is working, more and more people are involved. There's a lot of hype around this, a lot of utilities around this, the ecosystem, all these positive things happen. Suppose the price went up to $150. Then your $100 has now grown in value to $4,444. What if the price had gone up to $300? Then your $100 is now worth $8,881. $8,888. Okay. But the thing is, do you think the price will only continue to go up? We live in a world where nothing is predictable. Am I right? Nothing is predictable. 629.627. That's the number of coins. Nothing is predictable. Can the price go down? Maybe, yeah. It could go down. So suppose the price went down to $40, half of what it is right now. You went in with $100, but even if the price were to drop by 50%, you still made 11x, 1,185. What if the price goes lower? Maybe it went to $20. You still are profitable. Why? Because you have more coins than when you started off. What if it drops to $10? Somebody wants to know if it drops to $10. It's still double. If the price drops to about $3.2 or 3.3 or 3.4, if it's below 3.4, then you're going to have a loss. But can it go to 3.4? Maybe yes. Can it go to 300? Yes, maybe yes. Yeah, but chances of it going higher is higher than chances of it going lower. So you have to balance this out. Yeah, got to balance this out. Nothing in life is predictable or guaranteed. It can go either way. But when we look at this, it appears as if it can go higher. Yeah, but then we can never say. All right, we can never say. So that is how you understand what is happening with this calculator. Now, what happened with me is that when I started, I staked $200 right at the beginning. Can you guys see that at the bottom? Yeah, you can see the word claim, and you can see that two things there, claim and claim. If I were to tap on that, immediately it will go into my wallet, Token Pocket. I'm using Token Pocket. And then what happens? From there, I can move it to L Bank and I can sell it and convert it to USDT. Yeah. Yeah, Trino, Mugisha, that's the whole idea, yeah, because we are building a community. Not only us, people all over the world are getting involved. But then again, yeah, it's very good to be hopeful, but in life there is no guarantee. Yeah, in life there is no guarantee. But the thing looks hopeful. We work with what? We work with a plan, a strategy to achieve success. We don't work for failure. But in life, there's no guarantee. Anything can happen. But everything looks good so far. All right. Okay. So now that we have seen this, what else do we want to see? Yeah. What else do we want to see? That's the thing at the bottom. You can see market maker, your staking. I showed you the 3 different ways where you can actually participate in the protocol. Yeah. Treasury is there, staking is there, market maker is there. All right. Market maker. This is very interesting. Let me go to Albank. I want to show you this. Market maker provides liquidity, liquidity to actually manage the price. This is crazy. I want to show you guys this, yeah? Okay, let me show you. Let me go to ONF. All right. ONF. Now this is like 1 day. All right. This is like 1 day, yeah? 1 day. From the time the price came up from $4, it went to about $80. Yeah, and then it has been managing, yeah, to be around that same price. Very, very tight management. Let me go to a shorter time frame, 15 minutes. Now, guys, I want you to notice something here. You see the price drops. Okay, the price drops. Okay, you can see the price drops. Okay, price drops. Can you see the price drops? But then what happens is, okay, but then what happens is you can see a green candle popping up right here. All right. Why does this happen? Here's the market maker going to work. Yeah, it goes to work, pushes the price right back up. And if you actually scroll back, you can see that happening many times. Price will drop and then it'll be pushed up. This is what the market maker is doing. Can you guys see that again and again and again and again? That's how the price is controlled. That's kind of cool. I think that's kind of cool. All right, via the smart contract. And this is an L bank. Yeah, this is an L bank. All right. So having shared this, calculate for me $200 staking on 24-hour basis 1 day. I think we can do that. That should not be a problem. Okay, let me go to sorry, not Oracle Pay. We should go to calculator. Somebody wants to stake $200. First thing is you need to know how much coins are you getting. $200 divided by 78. You get approximately 2.5641. No, we can't do it for a single day. Yeah. Single day. Yeah, 1 month. Minimum in this calculator is 1 month. But you can estimate maybe over here. Yeah, you can make that calculation here. 24 hour. It's between 0.4 right here. Yeah, the first box 0.4 to 2% per day. 0.2 to 1%. So yeah, $200. You know how many coins you're gonna get, correct? How many coins you're gonna get? You know this thing. You get 2.56 coins. So minimum can be, let's say, 2%, yeah? 2% times, this is maximum yield, all right? 0.05128, yeah, coins that you manage to get, all right? That's the maximum. All right, so what else do I see here? Okay, calculate. Frank is following. Bro, the value displayed in the estimated earning in the calculator is it's just only the profit or the total, including the investment. It's the whole thing, total, yeah? Ali Rifau. Yeah, it's the whole thing. All right, talk about what my contribution points mean. Some have 9, others 10. Contribution points. Okay, contribution points work like this. Guys, is this a lot for you all? Are you all able to follow this? All right, contribution points, yeah. Let me just stop this. I want to go back to the slide. Okay, I'll share for another 10 minutes or so, then I'm going to go and take a break. Okay, now let me get back to contribution points. Okay, let's take a look at this. Contribution value, what does this mean? Okay, so when you are staking, when you stake, let's say you staked 1,000, pay attention here, I want you to understand this. Okay, when you stake, let's say $100, okay, and you staked it for 360 days, $100, 360 days. Your contribution points is anywhere from 200% to 500%. What does that mean? So when you stake the $100 and let's say you get the maximum contribution value, the amount that you can actually take out every time you are making a withdrawal, either from your profits or from your referral rewards, every time you're making a withdrawal, yeah, it will be deducted from your contribution points. So how much contribution points do you have? 500%, let's say. Yeah? So $100 allows you to take out $500 and then use it up. This is actually a fantastic mechanism, you know. Why? So that if you want to be able to take out, enjoy the referral point benefits, you simply can't take out everything. You got to put back something. So this is designed in contribution value, make sure that the system lasts longer and people cannot become a whale and disrupt the whole process. So this is actually a pretty decent idea. Initially, I didn't understand this, but when I thought about this, I say, hey, this is a really good mechanism to keep everybody in check. You earn your good money, but you also keep everything in check. So this is really powerful, actually, very powerful. Yeah, I hope you could understand what I'm talking about. Okay. Is the order book having a lot of bidders? You can actually check it up. Go to L-Bank, guys. Some of the things you can do yourself. You go to L-Bank, check it out. How do we start up? Please check with your sponsor. Somebody must have told you about this. Get back to them and it will work for you. All right. Okay, could you calculate me 200 for months? I think that's okay. You can do that calculation on your own. Leader, don't forget that when you are staking, you are given a discount, so you won't buy the token. Oh, yeah, that's correct. Kitega Charles is correct. Every time you are staking, remember, yeah, you do get a discount. I mentioned that earlier. You do get a discount. So you are getting more coins actually when you are staking. Yeah. All right. From where are you getting the calculator from? From the app itself. All right. No, it's not really an app. It's actually it's called a DApp, decentralized app, DApp. You need to go through the wallet to access that particular app. Yeah. So yeah, always refer back to whoever invited you so that you benefit from that. Okay. So I think I've answered a lot of questions. I hope everybody is good. Leader Julius, do you want to add anything? If you're still around? Leader Julius? Leader Julius, are you still around? Do you want to add anything? Is the fuel fee charged every time I make a withdrawal? Yes, 15%. Yeah, 15. Oh, before I end, let me just show you guys this. You may like this as well. I want to give you guys a very simple strategy. Simple strategy. I didn't speak about a few things, so I don't think I should end right now. I should talk about a little bit more. I want to talk about this. Do you guys want me to talk about this? About this community rewards as well? Do you want me to talk about this? You understand? Do you want this? Yes? If you want this, say yes. I'll quickly share this as well. All right. How does a community building work? It's like this, guys. All right. If you want to build a community, you must have at least $200. All right. You must have staked at least $200. Okay. You've staked $200. You're happy with that. Yeah. So what happens is when you introduce somebody, yeah, and they stake whatever amount, suppose you introduce me and I stake $1,000 and every 12 hours, I get 1%. For example, yeah, maximum is 1%, right? So every 12 hours, you get 1%. I get $10. Am I right? I get $10. What do you get? You get 20% of that $10. That means you get $2. $2 every 12 hours, every 12 hours for the next 1 year. That'll be kind of cool, correct? So that is, if you have $200 and you introduce just one person, okay, level 1 opens up for you. If you want to go to level 2, you must have personally staked $400. Where do you get this 400 from? 200 plus another 200. So you now have 400. And you must have two directs. Two directs. You have staked 400 and you have two directs. Now you get two levels. What is the benefit of level 2? Yeah, from level 2, you get 15% from the profits made in level 2. You go to 600. If you have staked 600, level 3 will open up for you if you have personally introduced 3 people. All right. And level 3 gives you 15%, and so on and so forth. Yeah. Level 4, 5, 6 is 10%, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 5%. You know what is the beautiful part about this? You can go 20 levels deep. 20 levels deep. Then you can add on as you move forward. Yeah, as you grow, you build your business, you make more money. You can add on, you can stake more, and then you can put up deeper and deeper and deeper levels. Wow, this is awesome. 20 levels deep, guys. Yeah, and it's all hard coded. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. And if you actually do a calculation, yeah, yeah, there's also ranks. I like this. I like it when there's no rank. Yeah, I like it when there is rank. All right, there are 9 ranks to this. Okay, how do you get into the first rank? Okay, $500 personal stake amount. Yeah, that's done. Now you have many legs. Yeah, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, leg 5. Your most strongest leg, your most biggest leg, your giant leg must have $30,000 staked, and everything else, leg number 2, leg number 3, leg number 4, leg number 5, total, yeah, total $20,000. So total is $50,000. All right, you become an M1. What is your benefit? Your total, your whole group, yeah, you get between 1 to 5% of their profits. Yeah, they make profits every day, every 12 hours. Yeah, you get 1 to 5%. All right. So you can go to M2, M3. M1, you will make about $50 a day. I'm an M1 right now. Yeah. Leader Julius became an M1 in 4 days. Record breaking. True king of the African continent. Yeah. Now already M2. Leader Julius already in M2. M2, you'll probably hit about $100, $150 a day. M3, about $500 a day. M4, $1,000+ a day. Yeah, that's how you are going to earn. No one has achieved M5 yet. M5 to M9, no one. M4, yes, there are people who have achieved M4. Yeah. Okay. What else? And every time you're making a withdrawal, yeah, of your profits, there will be a fee. Yeah, there will be a fee of 15%. But the thing is, you can make this into 0%. What do you do? As you what do you call that, build your directs. If you have 15 directs, every direct you get 1% discount. You got 15 directs, it's already 0%, no tax. Like for me, I got 16 directs, 1/6, so I don't have to pay tax anymore. All right, so simple as that. I'm going to give you guys a simple strategy. This strategy will work for you. All right, if you want to do this, yeah, if you want to do this, it's not a rule, but if you want to do this, just a simple 5x5. Anybody who's done network marketing would have seen this structure. Yeah, it's very simple, straightforward structure. Suppose you just build 5 directs, everybody just put 200, you also put 200. And later on, slowly you add up for 5 levels. Yeah, so you have personally staked for 1,000, and everybody in your team did the same 5, 5, 5 by 5. This is 25, this 125, 625, 3125. Yeah. So what actually happens is, if you were to add your income every day, if you just build this structure, you'll probably earn about $800 a day. $800 a day, that's big money, yeah? And your monthly income can go up to about $24,000 a month if you were to build just a structure like this. There's so many different ways you can play with this. This is just an idea that you may want to consider. Yep, there are many events that's happening to support you as well. This is by the foundation. Yeah, by the foundation, Oracle Foundation. They do these talks every day. There are four presentation on a daily basis. Yeah, Monday to Friday. You can join in English, in Tamil, in the local Malay language. In Malaysia, we also speak Malay language. Yeah, but right now, not only the foundation. Yeah, not only the foundation, but so many leaders are already doing events. I started my events this week also, and I will be doing a lot more events in the coming weeks and months. You are most welcome to join in. Leader Julius is already doing it. Yeah, so it's fabulous. It is fabulous. All right. So having shared all of this with you guys, I also want to share with you the Telegram channel. Take a look at this. All right, take a look at this. This is pretty insane. Insane. This is insane. Let me show you guys. Okay. So if you were to go to the Telegram channel, please get the link here from your respective team leaders. Yeah. If you were to go to the Telegram channel, yeah, let me just come here. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the white paper is here. If you guys want to read, the white paper is in the channel. All right. Pretty much all the information that you need is here. I want to talk about the community. I'm going to community here. Our community has grown so big. China, Korea, Taiwan, Japan, the African continent, Uganda has gone crazy, Malaysia. Yeah, India is starting up, Sri Lanka, I don't think so as of now. So it's open wide. So as you guys can see, yeah, as you guys can see, this I think this is in Vietnam, if I'm not mistaken. This is in China. All right, so many events are happening all over the world. Kunming Pu'er community. All right, you guys can see this all over the world. People are diving in, jumping in, getting started because they want to move forward with what the Oracle Finance Network is offering. It's a dream. It's a dream. Yeah, it's a dream. And with the proper strategy and the proper work, a dream can become a reality. All right. So that's about it from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you guys enjoy it? If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, would you be kind enough to go to the chat and type, yes, let's rock. Let's rock. You can type it, yeah? Yes, let's rock. Then we can bring this to an end. Yeah. All right. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Right. So basically, that's about it from me. I don't know if little Julius is still around. If he's around, if he wants to say a few words, then we can bring this to an end. Little Julius, are you around? Little Julius, are you around? You are the host now, sir.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Robert, for the amazing sharing. And still here, still presenting business. So thank you so much, sir. Still pushing. So thank you so much for the amazing sharing. I was on and off because I was still making sure that still continue. But thank you so much for the amazing sharing. God bless you abundantly. And I wish everybody all the best. Thank you for the sacrifice, sir. I basically really appreciate. God bless you abundantly. So let's rock, ladies and gentlemen, to the moon.
To the moon, to the moon. All right, guys. Good evening, good night. Wherever you are, let's rock together. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye, everybody.